So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can record the display or record from your Meta 3 or 3S and watch that video later for different purpose or for YouTube. How you can do that? So let's go. So how you can record your Meta Quest inside the screen? You have to hit the infinity button, that is the Meta button. When you click the infinity button or Meta button, see this option where all the things about your Quest will appear, all the system. The camera button, you have to go inside camera. In camera at the moment I'm recording something, so it would appear here recording, okay? So I'm recording at the moment, I can't click. When you hit the button, you will see the red light here, and the red light over the screen is recording at the moment. At the corner, you have camera setting, you have to click, include mic audio only in video recording. You can add the video aspect, you can decide, you see. You can record full HD, that is default, and the lower version as well. Here we go. So all the option, you have more setting. If you want to open here, you can see more option here. Setting camera, you see the default landscape. If you want to change, you can change the resolution. And audio option, you see the microphone, app, audio, other things. So it's recording all the things, guys. After doing that, you hit this button and close the recording. And here all the recording video you have taken, it will be appear. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.